scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laugh for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. Yesterday's a treasure, today is here. Tomorrow's on its way, the sky is clear. Thank you for the memories of all the laughters and tears. And not to mention our doubts and our fears, the hypertension we gave to our peers. It's really funny to look back after all of these years. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't worry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I may be miles away, but here is where my heart will stay with you.
Joy, mamimiss ka namin. Good luck sa new journey mo. Basta lagi kang mag-ingat at sana wag ka makalimot sa amin at lagi mong tandaan na wag kang magbago kung ano man narating mo, dahil alam mo pangit pag magbago ang tao. 'Di ba? Lagi kong sinasabi sa iyo yan. Huwag kang magbago kung anong narating mo. Basta ingat. Miss you, Joy. Miss you.
Good evening, Joy. Sorry, konti lang ang speech ko. Hindi ako sanay sa ganito. Alam mo naman ako. Basta mag-enjoy ka lang, tsaka ingat ka sa pupuntahan mo. Sana mo kaming kalimutan dito sa Jordan. Mag-video call ka, tawagan mo kami. Bye-bye, ingat ka ha.
Hi, Joy. Saying goodbye brings mixed emotions, but still I'm very grateful for the memories we have shared kahit sa napakaikling sandaling nakilala kita. Masaya kami, kaming lahat masaya sa magiging buhay mo. Wala kaming ibang dinadalangin kundi ang magiging more successful pa ang buhay mo. Ingat ka doon. Lagi kang manalangin sa Panginoon, nagabayan ka. Alam namin na mahirap, pero alam din namin kaya mo yan. At alam namin na syempre bago ka doon sa lugar, wala ka pang kaibigan, but soon alam din namin na magkakaroon ka din ng mga bagong kaibigan doon. Pero lagi mong tandaan, mahal ka namin, mamimiss ka namin, at lagi naming dinadasal na maging maayos ang lahat-lahat para sa'yo doon. Balang araw, magkikita pa rin tayo. Inshallah. inuulit ko, mag-ingat ka doon. God bless and we love you.
Mayat maya tumatawag yung asawa ko na sa ospital. Pasensya na kayo, pero happy trip and God guide you to your trip.
Hi Joy, good luck kung saan ka man pupunta. Hindi man tayo nagkabanding ng matagal, hindi man tayo nagkasama sa mga playdate, pero nasa puso ka. Lagi ka naming maaalala. We miss you.
Hello there. Hello our dear Joy. So, iiwan mo na pala kami and ingat always na lang and enjoy to your new journey. And yeah, mamimiss ka namin. And ciao!
Hi Ate Joy, mag-iingat ka palagi, mamimiss ka namin, we love you.
Hi Joy! Farewell! Mamimiss ka namin. Kahit konti lang oras na nagkakilala tayo. At least nagka-play date din tayo at nagka-banding. Mamimiss ka namin dito sa Ordon. Congratulations kasi graduate ka na. Wishing you the best life, enjoy your adventure in life, and may God bless you always, stay humble, and sana maalala mo kami kahit nasa malayo ka na at maalala ka din namin na miss ka namin. So, we will not say goodbye, but it's farewell. I'm happy of your life. We miss you. Bye-bye.
Hello! Welcome to my vlog! Hi Ate Joy! Aalis ka na pala. Saglit lang tayo nagkakilala pero enjoy naman pinagsamahan. And good luck sa new journey. And enjoy mo lang ang blessing sa buhay, ate. And more afam! More afams to come. Thank you! Good luck, ate! Bye-bye!
Hi Joy! Good luck sa new journey mo kung saan ka mang pupunta. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan at mahal ka namin. God bless!
Hi Joy! My bestie and my partner in crime. Masaya ako para sa'yo. Nalulungkot na may iwanan. Pero okay lang din. Kasi alam ko naman para sa ikabubuti ng future mo at ng anak mo. And well, wala na akong mga kasama sa mga kalokohan dito. Mag-isa ko na lang. Well, hindi naman totally mag-isa. Mamimiss ko yung mga lakad-lakad natin. Mamimiss ko yung mga banding-banding natin. Mapa-playdate man, mapa-part-time man, kahit ano dyan, inuman, galaan. Ay, wow. Sabi nga nila, you'll be forever my best friend kahit naman na magkalayo tayo o hindi na tayo magkasama. Happy for you and I don't wanna cry though. Well, enjoy your life there and say hi to Sophia. I'm gonna miss you a lot. Not a little, a lot. You're not just my best friend, also my you're practically or likely not just practically, like obviously you're like my sister now. You're not just my best friend. You're my second family here. I hope you know that. And I appreciate everything that you've done being as my best friend, and I appreciate for always being there for me, not physically and emotionally and mentally. Well, that's it. You know that I'm always happy for you and support everything that you do. Oh well, okay, that's more than enough, I guess.